Many companies and users set up custom sheet formats to make the process of creating drawings and adding custom properties more efficient. However, there's an important last step that users sometimes forget, and that's specifying your sheet format's file locations in SOLIDWORKS so that you can quickly select them when you create a new part, assembly, or drawing. Now, there are two ways to do this. One way is to save your custom sheet format into the same folder that SOLIDWORKS already looks to for sheet formats. This location by default is in the SOLIDWORKS installation folder under Lang, English, Sheet Format. By saving your custom sheet format here, SOLIDWORKS will find it when you start a new drawing. Now, this works pretty well, but as you create more and more custom sheet formats, the list can become cluttered. Also, since the default location is on your hard drive, this approach makes it difficult to share your custom sheet formats with other users. Now, rather than putting your sheet formats where SOLIDWORKS is already looking by default, the second approach is to point SOLIDWORKS to a custom folder where your sheet formats are saved. This method is ideal because it allows you to better organize your sheet formats by separating them into different folders. And since these folders can be on your network, they can be shared easily with other users in your organization. To specify a custom folder where SOLIDWORKS can find your sheet formats, go to Options and select File Locations under the System Options tab. The first item you see here is a drop-down menu, where you can display the file locations for the various file types associated with SOLIDWORKS. I'll choose Sheet Format from the drop-down. You can see the folder or folders where SOLIDWORKS looks to find sheet formats. To add a location, I'll click the Add button. I'll browse for my custom folder, highlight it, and click OK. You can see the folder is added to the list. Now, if you ever need to remove a location, you can highlight it in the Options window and press the Delete button. Now that I've added the file location, I'll close the Options window and go to Make Drawing from Part or Assembly. I'll uncheck the Only Show Standard Formats checkbox, and you can see my custom sheet formats are now selectable from the list.